In my many years of working with guys who are coming to me and saying to me, Rav, help me stop watching porn. Rav, help me stop sleeping around. What I hear from them is, I really want to do these things, but control me. Help me control myself that I won't do these things, like watch porn and sleep around. In the workshop Or Habris and all my work with young people, I encourage them to become self-aware, to become aware of their core desire. And lo and behold, people discover that what they really want is pure and beautiful things that only serve them and make them better people. And with that understanding, they start looking in the world and seeing the things that they felt weren't good. And that's why they came. But they come and they decide they don't want to do it. And they pull away from them from their own power and from their own strength that they understand what they want in life. But the truth is, that's not enough. There's another step. We all have real needs in our day-to-day life that if we don't fulfill them, we're going to look for trash to make them feel like we were fulfilled. The more we become self-aware, the more we can realize what is pushing us to do things that we feel are not good for us. And then we can build a happy and fulfilled life through taking care of ourselves, giving ourselves the things we need. And the truth is that all those things we need are the key to be able to create the most beautiful relationship there is, which is the marriage of the future. I invite you to join us in the next Habris Workshop. It's an experience that many, many hundreds of people have experienced. They've grown tremendously and changed their lives and are now driven to create the most beautiful relationship they can in this world through their sexual desire.